To open a dispute on Dhgate, start by opening your web browser and typing in the website's URL. Once on the site, click the Sign In option and enter your email and password to log into your account. After accessing your account, you can view your orders, recently reviewed items, and favorites. To initiate a dispute, you can search for Dhgate dispute, which will provide you with relevant options, including a help page that outlines the process. On the Awaiting Shipment page, you can also request a refund and open a dispute. Be sure to provide a reason for the dispute, such as a personal reason or other relevant information. By following these steps, you can effectively open a dispute on Dhgate. If you find this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who may also benefit from knowing how to navigate the process.